Best practices for maintaining data quality and consistency with Pretectum CMDM. Imagine a world where every piece of customer data is accurate, reliable, and seamlessly integrated. This is the promise of Pretectum CMDM. Maintaining data quality starts with a robust data governance framework, defining clear policies and responsibilities across the organization, and Pretectum CMDM helps support you in this quest. Applying the concept of FAIR principles guides you to making your data findable, accessible, interoperable, and reusable, enhancing both human and machine interactions. By standardizing data collection and validation, you ensure that every entry is accurate from the outset, preventing errors before they occur. Data cleansing and deduplication activities keep your customer database streamlined and error-free, reducing risks in downstream and downstream processes. Automated data quality monitoring tools within the Pretectum CMDM assess and alert for anomalies, maintaining real-time data integrity in your customer records. Effective metadata management provides context and meaning to your data, enhancing understanding and communication across the organization. And key data quality metrics and KPIs help measure the success of your data quality efforts, guiding continuous improvement. Establishing comprehensive training and a culture of data stewardship ensures that every user understands the importance of maintaining data accuracy. Robust data security measures and seamless integration supported by Pretectum CMDM safeguards your data, ensuring it remains trustworthy, out of the hands of unauthorized agents and aligned with your business objectives. Visit www.pretectum.com to learn more.